Almost 10 out of 10 times, the marketer says, yes, you should be doing these things. And I'm going to be a contrarian and say, I don't think coupons make sense. Selling on Amazon is not passive income, which is why you're here listening to me. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guide. In clips like you'll see today, we talk to Amazon sellers and ask them about the pains they experience. We offer solutions. We talk about PPC, SEO, design, and catalog troubleshooting. Enjoy. Our first guest is Kevin Sanderson. Kevin and I know each other. I'm a frequent guest on his Maximizing E-commerce summits. His next one will probably be in February. Thanks for coming on, Kevin.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here.
What question do you have for today?
Yeah, so in addition to running Maximizing E-commerce, I also have my own physical products business. And this holiday season, I've been getting a little bit more aggressive with coupons, but then in the back of my mind, I wonder, how worth it is it? Am I just giving away more money to Amazon and margin, or am I truly improving my click-through rate and conversions?
So I have, I'm a true-born digital marketer. And when you ask a marketer whether they should run a coupon or promotion or discount, almost 10 out of 10 times, the marketer says, yes, you should be doing these things. And I'm going to be a contrarian and say, I don't think coupons make sense. Especially when inflation rate is 25%. The government says it's 8%, whatever they say, triple it. And I think that margins are really tight right now. Now, there are pricing strategists out there that could give you some calculus on this, on like what scenario, when it makes sense to run a coupon. And I guarantee you, there is a scenario where you should run a coupon. But in general, my litmus test is, why not just lower the price, get your higher velocity, and then raise your price when the velocity is improved? And I've run this from my experience multiple times, where I've seen if you do this, your velocity will be static as you continuously raise the price to a certain point, and then it tops out. And a coupon, if you run it, does not seem to move the needle enough to justify the hit on the margin. Now, this is a category dependent question. If you're in a category and everybody else in their dogs is running a coupon, you might have to, right? If you're running an item and you have a MAP policy with the distribution network, but you can run coupons, but you can't lower the price. There are all kinds of scenarios we could come up with. But in general, I think it's better to just simply lower the price than to have a coupon. 60 cents per coupon use, as a heads up. Not everybody actually remembers to clip it, however. So your true coupon use might be more like 30 cents or even 25 cents. How did I do? Did that give you some ammunition?
Yeah, it definitely is something to think about, because the hard part is that you can't say, I want to run coupons to 50% of my impressions on a particular product to really know, like, during that time frame, did it win or not? So I like your insight.
Very, like, yeah, I think what you're saying is, how do I A/B test? Mm-hmm. You can't. Right. It's not possible. And so you have to make a judgment call. You could say, I'll look at the 7 days of sales without the coupon and then compare it to the 7 days with the coupon. But, like, it's not a true A/B test.
Right, especially the week of Black Friday. So
yeah, so I will say this. If I had to rank order what sort of things I would run, I would rank them like this. The Prime exclusive discount, I would put number 1. Coupons, I would put number 2. If I had to put lowering price, I would put that at the very top, number 1. But some people may say that's a gimmick. And 3, I would say probably a lightning deal, but they're very weak. So the cliffhanger between 2 and 3 is gigantic. 4, promotions, which customers aren't even trained to see or locate. Mm-hmm. And then don't forget, here's the best tip probably so far. Don't forget, a promo code stacks with a coupon. So horror stories over the weekend, we saw lots and lots of people accidentally give away a lot of their inventory for free or low cost because they forgot to disable the promotion when they ran the coupon. So don't do that.
Don't do that.
All right. Any
super helpful. Thank you. I think that's good. Really what it comes down to is with coupons, test it, in worst case scenario,
get rid of it.
Get rid of it. You can always turn it off.
So I think you do bring up a good point. I'm not saying never do a coupon. That's not what I said today. What I did say is generally it's not worth it.
Yes.
So how do you find out if it's worth it? You have to test it.
Test it.
So test it. Just don't hold your breath. That's my answer today. So Kevin, thanks for coming on. Really appreciate
you
it.
having me.
We'll see you later, man. Slam that like and subscribe button and join me every Thursday, noon Eastern Standard Time, where you can watch Amazon sellers come on camera and ask me literally any question live. We'll see you then.